Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to get wide angle on Snapchat. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Snapchat application on your Android and iOS, and once the application is loaded up, so here you can see that right now this is not a wide angle here. Okay, so how I can do this, that I will just tap on this search bar here at the bottom, and you can see this type of interface here. Okay, so right now we have to search for that specific effect. So at the search bar, type here wide angle. Okay, and then search for it, and then here you can see that we have multiple wide angle uh, uh, effects here. Okay, so I will use this one, and then I will open up the back camera, and now you can see that we have this beautiful wide angle effect in our Snapchat application. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.